In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use automation rules in Confluence to automate repetitive tasks and improve your team's workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create automation rules using triggers, conditions, and actions to save time and reduce manual work. First, open the Confluence space where you want to create an automation. Click Space Settings and select Automation. If you want the rule to work across your entire Confluence site, open the admin settings and choose Automation instead. Click Create Rule to start a new automation. Every rule is built using three key parts: a trigger, a condition, and an action. Choose a trigger to decide what starts the automation. You can trigger a rule when a page is created, updated, published, or on a scheduled date and time. Next, add a condition if you want the rule to run only in specific situations. For example, you can check whether a page contains a certain label, belongs to a specific space, or uses a particular template. Now add one or more actions. Confluence can automatically add labels, archive outdated pages, send notifications, update page properties, create Jira issues, and perform many other tasks depending on your setup. Before enabling the rule, use the test option if available to verify that everything works correctly. When you're satisfied, give the rule a clear name, save it, and turn it on. You can always review your automation activity by opening the automation audit log, where you'll see when rules ran successfully or if any errors occurred. That's how to use automation rules in Confluence. Once your automations are in place, they'll handle repetitive tasks automatically, helping you keep your workspace organized and your team more productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.